I recently bought an Alpinestars Nucleon Flex Pro protector vest from FC Moto. This is the second time I'm ordering from FC Moto. My first time which I ordered from FC Moto was a great experience, so I decided to repeat that. I decided to go ahead with a Flex Pro protector vest because there was a reason to it. As you know, I have an Alpinestars GP Force Airflow jacket. This has got a perfect slot to get the Nucleon Flex Pro back protector in here. There's an extension in compartment in here. It will go perfectly, and it has got the pockets to have the chest inserts on either sides. But I did not really go ahead with that. There is a reason to it. I'll come to that later. My jacket size is size 52 Euro and US size 42. So based on what FC Moto has mentioned in their website, for size 52 I should order a large size. I do not know if it's going to be too big on me or too short on me. I'll have to find out after opening this. So without further ado, let's go ahead and open the package from FC Moto. And the shipping from FC Moto all the way here to my house was hassle-free. There was no issues whatsoever. And I'm ordering from FC Moto for the second time. So, okay, keep that aside. So in here we got the receipt from FC Moto. I'm going to keep it aside. There is some bubble wraps. I'm going to keep it aside. And finally, the moment of truth, it's got the Nucleon Flex Pro vest. So this is what it looks like. What I'm going to do is to keep the box on the side and take this one out of the plastic cover. Okay, and this is how the vest looks like. So it's got the catalog. It got the catalog in here. Got two chest inserts, what we call it, from the Alpinestars, and it got a Nucleon Flex Pro back protector from the Alpinestars. And you can see that this is maybe I'll come to that later. I'll show you the size, but this is how it looks like, and I'm going to hang it up and remove the catalog and all the other things. You can see that how it compares when put closer to my jacket. I'm going to take the tags out, keep the tag on the side, and there is a couple more attachments in here which I got to remove. I'm going to get rid of it. The plastics here and there. Get rid of the plastics, and voila! That's how the Nucleon Flex Pro protector vest looks like. And here is the zipper, and you can see that this is Alpinestars Nucleon Flex Pro protection vest size large. I am 5'10" and 82 kilograms, and I think I wear a shirt size of 44. And we'll see how this fits me or not. So before I get into the vest, I mentioned that got the Alpinestars Nucleon chest inserts, a C level 2 protection. It can be removed easily on both sides. It can be removed easily, but this back protector is stitched into it, and you cannot take it out. But this is what I ordered. I'll see how will I fit into it. Okay. So my jacket is size 52. Nucleon Flex Pro protector is size large. That's what I ordered, depending upon the size chart which was mentioned in FC Moto. So let's go ahead and zip it up. Go. So I haven't, at this point of time, I haven't put in the waist thing, but if you look at it, size 52 jacket and size large fits perfectly for me. There is no problem whatsoever. The chest inserts are perfectly held in place, and I'm happy that my decision to go out and buy the size large did not bomb. So this has the spandex material and the velcro in here. to hold this in place, and I feel perfectly molded into it, if that is the right word which I can use. The back protector goes all the way to your to the tailbone kind of thing, and it's perfectly holding place, and I think I like the initial fit of it. Now what I'm going to do is to squeeze myself with the with the vest, which include the chest protector and the back protector, into my jacket and see how it fits. So I'm going to squeeze myself into the jacket. Going to step aside. There you go. So I'm inside the jacket, size 52 jacket, and for me it fits perfectly, even with the back protector and the chest insert, and there is no space for movement. Yeah, it fits perfectly. It fits perfectly. Chest protector fits perfectly. It's in place. So my decision to go ahead with the size large for a size 52 from the FC Moda guide did not bomb. It worked out perfectly as far as I'm concerned. Now you can see that the chest inserts are in place. There is no need for me to adjust the waist velcro, and if I raise my hands, it is absolutely okay. Back feels perfect. There is no space in between. Says feel like you are tightly armored, and your confidence of riding goes all the way high. So here is what it is, and the reason why I decided to buy the vest rather than individually buying the back protector and the chest inserts is because of one and only one reason. I'm planning to get myself a race suit for the motorcycle. So I'm only going to buy a suit which is already break-in, and I don't have to worry about whether it's going to be the Alpinestars which I'm going to buy, whether that model of the Alpinestars racing suit will fit in the back protector or the chest insert. I don't have to worry about any of it. I can go out and buy a racing suit which is break-in properly, and with this back protector and the chest protector, it goes perfectly. I don't have to worry about anything else, and that was the reason why I decided to go ahead with the vest. But it would probably make more financial sense to people if they want to go ahead and buy the chest inserts and the Nucleon back protector separately. It's a totally an individual choice. But here is the thing though. In Malaysia, the chest inserts are not available. In Malaysia, the Nucleon Flex Pro back protector is also not available in Malaysia. So only choice for me was to get it from outside Malaysia and import it. So I got a 20% off when I bought this, but that 20% off went away when I had to pay the shipping fees, and then I had to pay the customs import duties in here. But overall, I'm really happy with what I got because it stays in place. The chest inserts, which is not available in Malaysia, fits perfectly for my size. I'm going to get myself out of this. I'm going to hang it, and to give you a closer view of the suit, sorry, the protection vest. Okay, so chest inserts, Nucleon Flex Pro back protector. I'm going to get myself out of it. Easy to get out. Here is my jacket, and you can see that the Nucleon Flex Pro protector vest. This is the top portion of it, and it can go all the way to the bottom part of it, and this extension which is provided in the jacket is the one which helps to get the Nucleon Flex Pro protector fit in perfectly fine. And this is not really available in all the Alpinestars models, so if you're planning to get a back protector, you got to make sure that the jacket has that extension which is built in here to accommodate the back protector. And you can see that there is some clip-ons facility which is available here. If you buy the back protector alone, there will be an extension over here, and that extension is going to help you clip it over here. So the Flex Pro back protector will be attached to the jacket on the top, and it will fit in perfectly with the length of the jacket too. So if that information helps somebody, that's great. This piece can go behind the zipper. I'm going to leave it there. I'm going to put it later. But to let you know how the Nucleon Flex Pro back protector get closely integrated with the Alpinestars GP Force airflow jacket of mine, if you want to buy it separately. There you go. So Nucleon Flex Pro protection vest, chest inserts in the front, size large, Nucleon Flex Pro protector in the back, goes all the way down, and it is properly ventilated. It's not like the older versions of the back protector. It's properly ventilated. The vest is properly ventilated. My jacket is properly ventilated with perforations in the front and in the back. See that? It's got good amount of airflow which is going through when you are riding in the motorcycle, especially when I'm in the humid Malaysian climate. This is absolutely needed. And I'm really happy that I decided to go ahead with this particular vest. So hopefully this video has helped some of you to make those buying decisions, whether you're deciding to go ahead with the back protector and the chest insert separately, or you decide to get a vest which you can reuse in your racing suits or adventure related riding, or whatever that is. It's a multi-purpose thing. It will fit in perfectly, and you can reuse underneath any other riding jackets which you possibly have. You can see that it is CE level 2 protection, right? This is CE level 2 protector in the back, and in the front the chest inserts, it's also CE level 2. So if you want to see how the chest inserts look like, I am struggling to take it out, but you can see that it has CE level 2 protection on the chest inserts, and that's it. You are well protected. I'm definitely not going for an airbag at this point of time, so this is the best alternative which I can get. And I'm really happy that I got it. Hopefully this video will help some of you out there in making your buying decisions. And there you go. Hopefully you guys like the video, and this information is useful for somebody who is going to go out and buy the Alpinestars Nucleon Flex Pro protection vest. Thank you for watching.